So, welcome to this Java programming walkthrough. In this video, we're going to break down a complete student management system built with Java Swing and connected to a MySQL database. We'll explain each line of code so even beginners can follow along. So, let's get started. Section 1, Import Statement. Import necessary Java Swing out and SQL libraries. Import Java Swing. Import Java Swing table default table model. Import Java out. Import Java out event. Import Java SQL. We begin by importing the required libraries. Java Swing provides the GUI component like buttons and text field. Java Swing table default table model helps manage table data. Java out and Java out event help with layout and user action. Lastly, Java SQL allows us to connect and interact with the MySQL database. Second, 2. Class declaration. Public class management app. Extend GFrame. This is the main class called Student Management App, and it extends GFrame, which means this class is a window in our graphical user interface. Section 3, declaring components. Private J text field, text ID, text name, and text course. Private J button add, button load. Private J table, private default table model. Here we declare the components will use three text field or for students ID, name, and course. Two buttons for adding and loading students and a table with a model to display data from the database. Section 4, constructor GUI setup, public student management app. Now we define the constructor. This is where we build and show the graphical interface when the app is launched. Window setup. The set title, which is the student management system. Set size 600 and 400. Set location relative to null. Set default close operation. Exit or close. Set layout, new border layout. We set the window title size and make sure it opens in the center of the screen. We also define the layout and behavior when the window closes. Input form panel. JPanel form panel, new JPanel, new grid layout 4 and 2. Next, we create a panel with a grid layout 4 rows and 2 columns to organize our labels and input field neatly. Add labels and fields. Form panel, add J11, student ID, text ID, new J text field. Form panel that add text ID. Each row in a form has no label and a text field, one for student's ID, one for the name, and for the course. Add buttons. Button add. New J button add student. Form panel add button add. Button load. New J button load student. Form panel add button load. We add two buttons, one to add a new student to the database and another to load all existing students into the table. Table setup. Model in new table model, new string, ID, name, or course. Course table, new J table model. Add J scroll panel, table, border layout center. This part set up the table that shows students data. We define the column headers and wrap the table in a scroll frame to make it scrollable. Button actions. Button add action listener. Plus less than insert student. Button load an action listener. E less than load student. We assign functionality to our buttons. When the add button is clicked, it runs the insert student method. When load is clicked, it runs load student. Make this window visible. Set visible true. Finally, we make the window visible to the user. The section 5 is insert student method. Private void insert student. Now let's look at how student is added to the database. Input, retrieval, and validation. String ID, text ID, get text, dot trim. String name, text name, dot get text, trim. String course, text course, dot get text. We get the values from the text field and trim. Remove any extra spaces. If ID is empty, name is empty, course is empty. G option pane show message dialog. Please fill all fields. Return. This checks if any field is empty and shows alert if they are. So database connection and insert string URL. GDBC my QL localhost 3306 student DB. String user root, string pass. We define the connection string to connect to the MySQL database code student DB using root as the user. Try connection con, driver manager get connection URL user pass. Prepared statement con, prepared statement insert into student's ID, name, course, values. We use try with the resources to open connections and prepare an SQL insert statement with placeholder. Sets string 1 ID, set string 2 name, set string 3 course. Execute update. We can replace the placeholders with actual values and run the insert command. G option pane shows message dialog. The student added their form. We confirm the action and clear the form field. Catch block or errors. Catch SQL exception. J option show message dialog list. Database error. X dot get message. If anything gets wrong, we catch the error and display the message. Section 6. The load student method. Private void load students model set program. This method load all students from database into table. First, it clears any old data. Results set start execute query. Select from students. We run a query to select all students. While rs get model add row new object. Rs get string ID. Rs dot get string name. Rs get string course, and then we look through the result and add each one of the set table row by row. Clear form method. Private void clear row. Form text ID set text name dot text ID text course dot set text. This helper method clears the input fields after a student is added. So last is the main method. Public static void main string args. New student management app is starting point of our program. It creates a new instance of the window, launching the app, and that's it. To now understand how this Java Swing student management system works.